How to make a Discord account. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord account. First, head to the official Discord website or open the Discord app on your device. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the App Store for your platform. Once installed, open the app and click Sign Up. You'll be asked to provide an email address, choose a username, and create a password. After filling out the details, you'll need to verify your email address. Just check your inbox for the verification link and you'll be good to go. Once that's done, you can customize your profile with a photo, set your status, and adjust notifications to suit your preferences. Now that your account is ready, you can join servers by clicking the plus button to either create your own or join one with an invite link. And that's it. You now have a fully set up Discord account to start chatting, gaming, or connecting with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.